Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Gold Plus Shilajit Honey Sticks. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically gives you a boost in your energy. It is mineral rich, supports immunity, enhances cognition and aptogen. And it is basically a product that helps with your health. And as you can see, there are a lot of things on how to use it. So third-party lab tested for purity, 7.5% fulvic acid, which is an indicator of purity. Organic acacia honey contains 85% or 85 essential minerals, approved by Ayurveda experts. I don't know what that is. So if you're wondering if this product is legit, let's head over here to Amazon, which they're rated 4.1 out of 5 stars. So if you actually scroll on down here, we can actually see that there are 960 global ratings. And there are a lot of 5-star reviews saying that this product is amazing. So this person said, amazing product, easy as rip, eat done, and got a little more energy in my day. Amazing product, Himalayan salt, gritty and honey and not honey liquid, yum, pre-workout best, great taste. So this product seems to be legit since a lot of people are saying good things with 900 reviews globally. So if you want to go ahead and try this product out, go ahead. And yeah, that is basically it. This product is legit. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.